Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations and integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Suppose that we have f can be differentiable and we have f of number 1 equals to number 6 and this one equals to number 5. We want to find about this integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 4s to the power of 3 ds dv. That is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to f of s. So we have I equals to, we have u multiplied by v. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 4. And we have the integration from 0 to number 1. And we have s to the power of 3 f of s ds. Now I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 to the power of 4 f of number 1 minus number 0 to the power of 4 f of number 0 minus number 4. And we know that this integration in here, that is about number 5. This one we have number 0, so you got 0 in here. F of number 1, we have number 6. So we calculate the numbers in here. That is negative 14. This is the end. Thank you for watching.